Good afternoon, a very warm welcome from wherever you are watching from, whether it is in the bathroom hiding from the family members, in the luxury of your own lounge, in your bed with the headphones on so that you don't disturb your partner with my voice. And this is Mama Tjhoko, and this is a Thursday Live but with a different angle. To Tjhoko whatsoever. And I thought this is maybe the perfect opportunity to share my heart and also our history, our story with you. I am an absolute ambassador for my country, South Africa. And when we started Tjhoko in 2016, I had a dream. And this is where Tjhoko started. It was a sincere dream, a vision, an idea to create job opportunities in a country that so desperately needs it. In a country known as a rainbow nation, a beautiful nation, people from different cultures, different backgrounds, but also people with one goal, to have a happy life. And I had this huge dream, and for so many, it sounded so far-fetched, because I had this dream to, with color and paint, create job opportunities. That was the first idea, the first focus. And then secondly, to inspire and give ideas and share ideas and creativity with my country and the people within my country, to inspire them to have beauty around them. If there's color, if there's order, if there's creativity around you, and if you are surrounded by these elements, you heal. And we all might think, maybe I'm not the person that needs healing, but I promise you, healing and restoration is needed in every person's life, because we are all exposed to life. Sometimes we just need to heal from something our neighbor said, or our time that we spend in traffic, or the challenges raising children, or a day in the office. And then there's also the more serious incidents and effects that life can play on us. And healing there is then even more valuable. But my first thought with Tjhoko was to heal. And this came about in a dream. And I always tell, even if it's the staff members or my children, if a dream doesn't excite you so much that you want to curl your toes around and jump up and down, throw your arms in the air, dream more. Because a dream needs to evoke a feeling of absolute excitement within you. And if you have found that dream and you are not intimidated by that dream, then you also need to dream more. So I had this very huge, exciting dream, and then I was scared, because how do I go about in making this a reality? And thanks to business partners and an amazing team, that happened. It didn't happen immediately though, because nothing is easy. And sometimes dreams do fail, but then you should not experience it as a setback. You should experience that as a foundation to grow and to learn. Because everything happens in life for a reason and a purpose. And we should take those experiences to make sure that we gain from them to be better humans. So I took these experiences, and I never say I, we, because there's always a team involved, as not as setbacks, but as opportunities. Now today when I wrote the business article, it took me back 7 years, 2016. when this dream started, to within our paint business that already existed, to start a business focused on job creation and empowerment, Tjhoko Paint. And at that stage, 2016, it was myself and Olivia Nkele. And we did the dispatching, the packaging, the ordering, the marketing, the admin. And today when I wrote that article, I realized there's now a team of people in all these departments looking after the business. There is a packaging team. Because Tjhoko is not about automation. It's about having people doing the work. Sweetness is a mabok, she's a grandmother. And she's responsible for all the ribbons that you see on the bottles when you visit a Tjhoko stockist. Godfrey is a guy that's deaf, and in his team he's responsible for the decanting and the measurement of those paints. And so is there 30 other people only in the packaging department, packaging the paint, weighing the paint, sticking the stickers with their hands. But by doing that, they are earning an income for their households. And then there's an admin department and a very strong, I feel so emotional if I think about the Karen. She's also my sister-in-law. She's small, but she's tough. And she handles the admin department, a woman with strength. And she has a team working under her. Beautiful women, most of them women. And then we have an accounting department. And we have a marketing department. And we have salespeople representing the brand. And all of this started with a dream to make a difference. And that is still a dream. My dream with Tjhoko Paint is to tell the world a story of making a difference. In a country on the most southern tip of Africa, a beautiful rainbow nation with beautiful people, the most beautiful natural surroundings and wonders in the world. And in this small country, with a history like any other country has, but we are not allowing for that to define us. We are making and trying our very best to make a difference with color and paint. So during my past travels these past 2 weeks, I had the opportunity to visit Atteridgeville, where we intensively work this year with a community to assist in creating sustainable solutions. How to start a business, how to use your creativity to earn an income. We had the most divine lunch with Mutai. So if you ever have the opportunity to visit the Ark at Nkomo Village, please go say hi to Mutai and just experience the pride he has in his little coffee shop. Everything pristine, perfect, beautiful. In the Ark, we assisted a few talented artists with skill in how to understand your target markets, how to design, how to plan, how to build a mood board, and then how to use this knowledge and investigations to actually create something. This is an ongoing activity that we are involved in. And then I went to Cape Town. So in Joburg, it's business meetings. It's not only painting, it is community initiatives, it is negotiations, it is traveling a lot, it is staying focused. And before I go to the next thing, this is everything that's part of a dream. It is, if you identify that dream, you know that it actually makes you frightened. Then the next step comes to play, and that is hard work. I can not over-estimate the meaning of dedication, focus, hard work. So to actually not to sleep on your dreams, but to work on them. That is the hard and tough part. And to stay focused, no matter what cross your road, you need to remain focused. So I just want to mention that. So it's not only painting or whatever your dream may consist out of. That dedication and follow through is the next step that's so important. And then after my Joburg travels, I went to Cape Town. I love our mother city. Oh my word. There's an energy in Cape Town that you can just not explain. So I feel like I'm home when I'm in the Western Cape. It's absolutely amazing. And also there I had the opportunity to meet with beautiful artists. Minka Wasserman, this is a shout out to you, because I am going to keep a close eye on you to see what you do with that amazing talent you have. And then also, in a business, you always need to redefine structure, replan, rethink. Of course, there needs to be movement all the time. So within Tjhoko, we are also busy with that. And hopefully next year, there will be a lot of new things that I will share with you. But everything proudly South African. From local artists, people within our country borders. And now if you are watching, and we do have business partners in Switzerland, Scotland, Ireland, Dubai, Romania, people that we absolutely love in Australia, Mauritius, other countries in Africa, Kenya, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Botswana, Namibia. This is an authentic, sincere story. And I want you to almost feel the love and the passion that comes from South Africa. So after all these experiences and all the enjoyment and also hard work and business that was involved in all of this, I landed last night at the PE airport, Port Elizabeth Airport, Kabeja Airport. And as I walked to the pay point where I had to pay for my parking ticket, a youth orchestra was performing. And I just wanted to dance with them. And I just thought this is just a manifestation of my travels through the country. I love South Africa. I'll fight for our country and our people till the bitter end. And I will do my best to make it a more colorful, beautiful place for our children. And when I heard that orchestra playing, it was just like a seal, a stamp on my vision I have. Color is like music. Color inspires, it brings forth inspiration and the will to make a difference, and it makes one feel happy if you use it correctly. And this is exactly what I, Mama Tjhoko, Nadine Vosloo, want to achieve with Tjhoko Paint. I want to convey a message to the world, and I'm doing it right here, right now. That South Africa is one of the most beautiful countries in the world, with the most beautiful people, the most beautiful talent, the most sincere hearts, and we can make life beautiful with color and with inspiration and with being sincere in what we do. With my business, Tjhoko Paint, that is exactly what I want to achieve. And I want to end this message and say a huge thank you to everyone we have a beautiful, sincere following of Tjhokoholics, members of the Tjhoko family, painters, ambassadors. Thank you for a year. It's been a year where we learned a lot. Nothing was always easy, and that's part of life. Life isn't supposed to be always easy. But with the messages I receive from you, and I always see myself as not an individual, because the business could not be a business without my team. I am the face, but I represent a team of amazing people, dedicated, hard-working individuals, whether they are packing the paint, whether they are making the paint, whether they are doing the invoices, whether they are assisting with marketing, whether they're on the road and visiting the stockers of Tjhoko Paint. The team is absolutely amazing. And together as a team, a Tjhoko family, you that have so loyally supported us, the beautiful messages that we receive. Thank you for a beautiful year. This year ended with a project in Koffiefontein, where one individual, Lene de Toy, decided to make the entrance of her town a beautiful place. And when she phoned me and said she has this dream, that's a dream I have, to make South Africa a colourful, beautiful place. I said, Lene, I'm going to help. Tjhoko Paint Paintmaster, the company, is going to assist you to make your dream a reality. Please follow our socials, and also Dames Doen Dit Self. We will share it, if you're not Afrikaans speaking, in the links, so that you can go and see how an individual inspired a town to make a difference within their own town. A colourful entrance to a small town in South Africa where a huge impact was created. So I'm going to end this off by saying thank you. Thank you for the loyal support. Thank you for the way that we treat each other. Thank you for being sincere. Thank you for being creative. Thank you for sharing that creativity without even thinking twice, and assisting each other to also be creative and create beauty around us. And we can start small. A small town like Koffiefontein can make a big difference in our country if we all stand together and do the same. Make our communities beautiful places and take that in our own hands and make sure it happens. And we are there to do it together as a big, huge, happy country, South Africa, with beautiful businesses. Lots of love from Mama Tjhoko to everyone. I'm not sure what the rest of my year is looking like. The factory is closing almost. We're entering the last bits. I do want to be present to share more creative painting ideas with everyone. But till we meet each other again, let's just remember this small thing. Let's start small, have a dream, but not a small one, a big one, and make big changes happen, even if it's with small acts of change and kindness in our communities. Lots of love, and stay safe, healthy, creative, till we meet each other again.